Start. Hello guys, कैसे हैं आप लोग? My name is Gokul Vinayak. I'll be teaching you chemistry, organic part and teaching aptitude. So today, in this video, we are going to talk about the syllabus of chemistry, basically organic part, because Shubhraj sir ने already किया है in organic part, right? So what you guys think? I'm not going to tell all the things about the exam pattern and all right now because as you guys know, like he's already discussed about that, and we don't have to waste time, right? So before that, I would like to tell you one thing. That's about Crack NCET and about our Vijay batch, right? So we are very much excited to introduce our Vijay batch to you guys because we have done a lot of work, right? And we are damn sure that if you are following our lectures, test series, live sessions, and whatnot, you will be easily cracking NCET. Yeah, that's why Crack NCET here, right? So yeah, this is our team and this is about the pricing and all, and we'll be starting from 18th of September, right? And this is the things you guys will be getting. So yeah, that's just just a small introduction about that, and these are our team members. And yeah, let's get into the topic, right? So first, like some instructions, right? So you are having 25 questions from chemistry, as you guys know, and from organic part, you can expect almost like 10 to 12. Usually, like when you're talking about like 1 or 2 marks, the weightage of organic part is less. But as you guys know, every single mark is counted in our entrance exams, right? It can like even a single mark can have a rank difference of thousands, right? So yeah, all things are important. And when we are looking at into the syllabus, we will be like, yeah, it's boring, right? There are a lot of stuffs like our unit 6 is halo alkenes and haloarenes, right? And as you guys know, in our 12th, one book is exclusively for organic chemistry. So this is about haloalkenes and haloarenes, and we have so much topics: nomenclature, nature of CX bond, physical and chemical properties, etc. Actually, do you guys need me to read all these things? No, right? You guys can do that thing on your own. And actually, utana like काम भी नहीं है इसका, right? So yes, you guys just read this. We will be discussing what you guys to study after going through these things. So basically, haloarenes and alkenes, you will be getting one question from this IUPAC name, right? So this is one topic to focus in this from this unit. So आगे चलते हैं, and there are also some named reactions and all. So yeah, we'll be discussing about that later. And the next unit, unit 6, it's about alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Right. Here also you are having this much like a lot of things, and I would say these things like the physical and chemical properties of these primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and these kind of things are important here. Okay, and you guys can, like, as you guys can see, there are a lot of other stuff, but you don't have to worry. You don't have to give that much attention to all of these single terms, right? And now we have aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. This is an important chapter because like you guys can expect one or like maybe 2 questions from this chapter. Okay, and here the preparation part, there are some named reactions, right? And in every question paper you can see at least 2 to 3 named reactions, especially from organic part. Maybe 1 or 2 will definitely come. So this is an important thing to focus from this unit, and there are a lot of other things, but as I have told before, we'll be discussing about those after discussing the unit names, right? Now we have amines. The most important thing that's going to come from this area is the basicity. Okay, the basicity order. Okay, yeah, you can expect questions from basicity across the chapters, that's true, but the probability of getting a question from this unit is high. So yeah, and about the preparation and all, you should give more attention to this also, and structure. This is very important for your conceptual clarity, in especially in this chapter, like amines. And now we have biomolecules. I would say this is an easy chapter because it's kind of memory based. Like the questions you can expect from this chapter is mostly memory based. We will be dealing with some of the questions in the coming lectures. So here you can see a lot of things like DL configuration and all, but I would like to say that's why I'm not reading it all. Like you don't have to give that much attention to all these things for NCET. Okay. So as I have told you before, this is basically an entrance exam based stuff, right? So I'll be also focusing more on questions and the like we will be analyzing the trend and what is exactly going to ask in the question paper. Yeah, nobody can predict that for sure, but we will be trying our best. So here are some things you should focus on. Here, like maybe you guys are thinking this is a syllabus video and ये कुछ नहीं बोला ऐसे ही ऊपर से ही चला गया. No, now here we are starting our video. So what are the things you should focus? Now let's get into the second layer of the syllabus. First thing, of course, IUPAC name, IUPAC nomenclature. Definitely one question, and it's very easy if you are familiar with these things. It's not so hard, trust me. Once you get it, you will be getting it like this. It's a simple one. And as I have mentioned before, we have basicity. Definitely a question. It's a very probable one. And now reagents, about reagents. And in every organic chemistry exam, will be having one questions like this is product A. Now it's changing to B, and what is going to C? A question like this you can definitely expect. Okay, and now maybe you will be having some named reactions. Then definitely some questions about like maybe you are familiar with the questions like the order. One second. Like arrange the things according to their boiling point. Questions like that. Maybe. One second, guys. We are having some technical issues. This improves. So one question about boiling point. This is basically an order based one. You just have to do like this, which have more boiling point than the other one and all. And these are pretty basic if you have the knowledge. So it's not very tough topics. That's why I'm just introducing the syllabus like this, because if you are going through the PDF, you will be seeing a lot of terms. But basically, you don't have to worry that much. These are very simple things. And what, like as I said, every question won't be simple. Now you have this application based stuff. These are kind of tricky, and you should be giving more focus to this, because otherwise if you don't have a clear conceptual clarity, you won't be able to do these kind of questions. And yeah, basically that's it. And you should give like about the organic part, I can assure you that it's not so tough. That's it. We'll be cracking it with flying colors. So yeah, that's it. Let's see in the other video.